Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss a very important and interesting topic, and that is what is the difference between Kein and Nicht. Kein, Kein, and Nicht, Nicht. So you must have heard these two words or two names because they are very famous and very basic words in German. So actually, Kein and Nicht, they are used for negation, but they serve different functions. That only we are going to see in today's video. So let's start with the video. Now first, Kein. Kein is used to negate a noun, and Nicht, N-I-C-H-T, Nicht is used to negate verbs, adverbs, adjectives, etc. Okay, got it? So first we'll see Kein in detail and then we'll see Nicht. Now the actual meaning of Kein is no or not any. Right? Now this we'll see with example. And it is a negative form of ein, E-I-N, ein. Ein is an indefinite article. Right? So there are separate videos on my channel on definite as well as indefinite articles. So you can go and watch, you will get a clearer idea on this. So I will give the link in the description box. Right? So Kein is a negative form of ein and it is gender dependent. So what does it mean? That it is dependent on the gender of the noun. So we have to use sometimes Kein and sometimes Keina, just adding E at the end, right? Kein or Keina. So we'll see this with example, where to use Kein and where to use Keina. So first example is, Ich habe kein Buch. Okay, Ich habe kein Buch. This means I have no book, right? So here you have to use Kein. Then the next example will be, Sie haben keine Freunde, meaning they have no friends. Here we have to use keine, K-E-I-N-E, keine. Now these are the two examples of Kein and Keina. Now we'll see Nicht. Okay, so the actual meaning of Nicht is not. This is the exact meaning you can say. Now suppose, das ist nicht gut. Okay, meaning that is not good. Das ist nicht gut. Right? Here you have to use nicht. Now, as I told earlier, the basic difference between Kein and Nicht is, Kein is used to negate a noun and Nicht is used to negate verbs, adverbs, adjectives, etc. Now suppose you want to say, I have no car. Okay, in this case you will use Kein. Ich habe kein Auto. Auto is car. Because it is a noun. Auto is a noun. Car is a noun. So you have to use Kein here and not Nicht. Right? Ich habe kein Auto. Now we'll see one more example. Suppose you want to say, I don't want this. Okay. So how will you say in German? Ich will das nicht. Okay. Meaning I don't want this. Here you have to use nicht and not Kein. Okay. So this is clear. So I hope this is the difference between Kein and Nicht is clear with you. If you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment box. So that's all for today, friends. My apologies for the construction work going on, but I hope you could understand this. That's all for today, friends. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye-bye.